What's up, everyone? I'm just doing a video of this 42-inch Heritage Spector ceiling fan. I got this at Habitat probably about 2 years ago, I'd say. So I finally put it up and I'm finally doing a video of it, which these are the original blades that go onto it. So we'll go ahead and start with the demo. I added this glass light or globe on it. It's pretty nice. So demonstrate it with the light. Looks pretty nice actually with it. Kind of dig that. I was gonna put a round globe, but I figured I'd try the glass one, the clear glass one better. So turn it off and we'll start this on low. Takes its time for it to speed up, but it's not the best fan in the world, I'm going to say, because obviously it's a Heritage, but I like these type of bottom spinners. I think this one's dated of May of 96, I believe, or 95, I can't remember which year, but it's somewhere around that era. I think these might have been sold at Kmart, but I could be wrong. So there's your low. And medium speed. I'm not sure if I mentioned this before, but I decided to put on with the light oak blades because the other side are plain white. So there's your medium speed. It's putting out a little decent breeze, but not intense breeze. Well, not like awesome breeze, if you know what I mean. Especially how typical these fans are. Okay, low, off, and high. And it does put out a decent breeze. Yeah, I can literally feel the air movement. Let's turn it on with the light on its high speed. So yeah. And I'm probably gonna turn it off with the light on. I haven't really made a video of this yet, so I figured why the hell not. Now I might do a video if you guys are interested. I have the little set of Heritage blades in 30-inch, which you guys have probably seen and probably figured out how the hell did I put 3 blades on this thing. If you guys are interested of seeing that. So I mean, I've seen how fast this thing can go with 30-inch blades, but so. And there you have it. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching.